Most people believe paying cash for a car is the smartest financial move. It sounds simple. No monthly payments, no interest, no debt. But what if that choice could actually cost you more? Every day, many buyers walk into dealerships thinking cash gives them the strongest position. Yet, in many cases, dealers are happier to see someone finance the car instead. So why would a dealership prefer a buyer who borrows money? The answer reveals how the car business really works.
At first, that idea doesn't seem to make sense. After all, cash means the dealership gets paid immediately. There is no waiting and no risk of missed payments. So why isn't every dealer excited about a cash buyer? The reason is simple. Selling a car is only one part of their business. Behind every sale are other ways to earn money that most customers never notice. Once you understand where those extra profits come from, the whole buying process starts to look very different.
One of the biggest hidden profits comes from financing. When a buyer takes a car loan through the dealership, the dealer may receive a payment from the bank or lender for arranging that loan. This is often called a finance commission. In some cases, the dealership can also earn money by offering a slightly higher interest rate than the one approved by the lender. That means two people can buy the same car at the same price, but the buyer who finances it may help the dealership earn much more than the person who pays cash.
Now imagine two buyers visiting the same dealership. They both want the same car. The first buyer proudly says, "I'm paying cash." The second buyer simply says, "Let's agree on the best price first." Even if both buyers have the same budget, they may not get the same deal. Once the dealer knows the first buyer will not finance, one possible source of profit disappears. But with the second buyer, the dealer still expects to earn money from financing, so they may be more willing to lower the price of the car. That is why many experienced buyers wait until the final stages before talking about how they will pay. So what is the smarter way to buy your next car? First, negotiate the price of the car before discussing whether you will pay cash or finance it. This helps you focus on the real cost instead of the monthly payment. Once you have the best price in writing, compare your options carefully. If the dealership offers financing, read every detail, including the interest rate, fees, and whether there is any penalty for paying the loan off early. Sometimes financing can lead to a better overall deal, but only if the numbers truly work in your favor. The goal is not to avoid cash or loans. The goal is to choose the option that saves you the most money. The next time you shop for a car, remember that the sticker price is only part of the story. Dealerships have several ways to make money, and understanding those hidden incentives can help you make better decisions. Paying cash is not always the wrong choice, but it is not always the best one either. Instead of following common advice, focus on the total cost of the deal. Ask questions, compare every option, and never rush into signing the paperwork. A little knowledge before you buy can save you a lot of money later.